Una get luck, Akwa cannot be my husband. The luck where una get, na say Akwa cannot be my husband. All luck unumere, na Akwa will deal do some no law. If not, you people could have seen what it means to be stubborn and smart. I will pull him out from Anambra. I will pull him out. If he should be my husband, I will pull him out from Anambra, come to my father's village to be precisely. After he must have finished having this 11 months in prison. Also, have 11 months, yeah, with him. I will pull him out from Anambra, come to my father's village to be precisely, buy a land for him and tell him, honey, start this your native doctor. Palier. The goal would get a native doctor till the end of time. Because this thing is something that is in his lineage. Or when he sata. Ilen na motra na kwakoko. Wonye dibia. Nanke ya wonye dibia. Ke hunu na ache na puya. Dibia mana ya naka. Ke hunu na ache be na puya. Dibia non na lineage ya. Be were youth ambassador being ya after serving 11 months. Can you do that to a pastor who owns a private jet? Eh? A lot of popular pastors in Nigeria now owns a private jet. Ke ya kwakoko beruno. Ordinary G-Wagon. Ordinary 2 hotel only. Most of your pastors name one. The things that Akwa have now, that little thing that he has, most of your evil demonic pastors have. Most pastors in Nigeria today has the biggest church otututurum. They have the biggest church stadium. Most of them has private jet. So where is the envy coming out from? Why are you jealousing the poor boy? Most of your daddy GOs today, they were in their 30s when they bought private jets. The native doctor, Waranya, put our internet is strategize his craft. Na pateko, oh he na fuko funobi, oh he na wegi wenobi. Eh? Akwa, does he has the things most of Nigerian pastors have? Akwa, did he near most of your Nigerian pastors? Can you hear your Nigerian pastors now? Apart from collecting tithes and offering, apart from Esagishi, what is the difference between Akwa and Nigerian pastors? Most of your pastors own private jets, own popular hotels. They fly out abroad to go and get medical attention, but they will sell holy oil to you. They will sell mantle to you. They will sell handkerchief. So what is it that Akwa done to deserve such an injustice? Because it is clearly injustice. For those people that are coming to my comment section to ask me, oh, is your pot there? For all those people that are coming to ask me, oh, it's gonna there. Why are you talking about it? My pot is not only there, my consign is there. We are all corrupt. Let's kukuma get the corruption to the end. I need let the corrupt. I need all of us they corrupt. So make kukuma badger the corruption. Make u badger them. Now get luck, sir. Akwa cannot be my husband. If not, we put here from Anambra State. Yeah, done a village in Pamo. Be the native doctor. The girl will not get married to the native doctor. Ni she till the end of time. Because Akwa is 10 times more better than most of your pastors. Akwa they even do youth empowerment with the motto. Akwa they do youth empowerment with the machine for their village. Akwa even construct their village road that leads to his house. If I guess yeah, we'll give you to leader in this state. You to leader go like Akwa. Most of your popular pastors today, they own cars of 2027. They own houses abroad. Their kids are studying abroad. So tell me, when Apana abroad get school, Akwa's all on abroad. Do Akwa own a house outside country? So what is it that he owns? What is it that you think Akwa owns on Afugo Funobi? What is it? Why will he deserve such unfair judgment? Most of your pastors, Jesus Christ has you. Name embezzle you people's money. Na Zukashi village in them mado. Eh? Una get luck say Akwa no be my husband. Obanje gara agbara mo no. Unu nwere luck na Akwa would him. If not, ya hapro state una ahụ pụta bịa na my own state. You feto beside them all. Yeah, lotawa my own side. The goal will not get a native doctor an issue. Because most of your pastors have not quit being pastors. Even the old ones cannot hand over mic to the younger ones. They are still going to the altar despite having dementia. They don't remember anything. They are still going to the altar to preach, to collect that your money from you, to scam you with the name of Jesus. So what is it that is paining you? Where is the jealousy coming out from? Just imagine that Akwa is a Yoruba man. Will this type of thing happen to him? He's just practicing his tradition, his belief, his spirituality. Let's assume Akwa wonya wusa or wonya funani. Will he get such ill judgment? Will he? Will he even stay in the detention for 1 year plus? Will he? No. It is always the Igbos. It is always the Igbos. It will always be the Igbos oppressing themselves, showing power to themselves, showing agumekwe to themselves. I'm not saying all Igbos are bad, but it is always us. But you will see a Funani man protecting his fellow Funani that his brother is not a bandit. You will see a Yoruba man protecting his brother. That he's practicing his tradition, he's practicing his root, he's practicing his ancestral but once I want a Igbo, I got totally fought. I got totally go to Benin Republic, Cotonou, go and see how they practice their religion, their tradition. Make their own tradition and spirituality. It is always in Igbo land. They want to oppress their brother. They want to show power. They want to judge, to wicked their brothers. Can the Yoruba man do this thing? Can the Yoruba man hold his brother in detention over his own choice of belief, over his own choice of religion? Can an Hausa man do it? No, it is always in Igbo. Oppressor. Let's oppress him. He has too much money. A small boy like him. Oh, genetic Dr. Negu, but your pastors are sent. Akwa is a sinner. Your pastors are sent. Your pastors are righteous. My own be say, if you reach turn for pastor, if you reach pastor turn, una no judge and like this. Una no judge and like this. Him ga bapu no wash. Ashikan ga abawa ga we unu na ho.